Wagwan family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make beef soup with cowpeas. First, I wash the cowpeas them, and this is 2 cups of cowpeas. In my pot, I have 8 cups of water. I add garlic, onions, and pimento. Allow it to boil. Here, I cutting up the beef into small cubes. I wash it with fresh lime. I season with my Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning and green seasoning. Now I add it to the pot. So now I peel in a carrot and dice it up also. Peel in a sweet potato, dice it up also. 1 Irish potato. Now I peel in a chocho and dice it up also. Here I peel in a coco yam, just dice it also. 1 large corn. Now I wash them and add them to the pot. So now I cover the pot and go and knead the flour. So this is 2 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of cornmeal, and I use all-purpose flour. Half teaspoon of salt, and I just knead the flour to make the dough for the dumplings. Just pinch off a little piece, roll the dumplings just like that. Now I'm going to add the dumplings to the pot, just like that. Give the pot a stir, cover it up. Now I'm breaking the coconut. I'm gonna have to catch this coconut water. It's really good. Now I'm digging out the coconut. Now I'm just going to cut it up so the blender could blend it easily. Let me just go for a blend. Now I'm strain it off. Just squeeze out all the coconut milk from the trash. Now I'm add it to the pot. Give it a stir. Here I add in my cock soup flavored mix. Give it a stir. Add in 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, 2 stalks of scallions, 2 pieces of fresh thyme. Give it a stir. Once everything in the pot, cover the pot and allow it to cook for 15 more minutes. After 15 more minutes, everything should be ready. The beef cooked to perfection. Now I'm going to serve myself a bowl. The soup rich and nice, my people. Look at that. Yeah, man. Take a sip. Just like that. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more recipe like this.